Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. We are solving question 3. Okay, so let's start. We are on the B. N plus 12 is equal to 20 and the value of n given in bracket are 12, 8, 20, 0. Okay, so let's take first 12. N plus 12 is equal to 20. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 20. But 12 plus 12 we get 24. So 24 and 20 are not equal. Okay, now next 8. N plus 12 is equal to 20. So 8 plus 12 we get 20. Yes, 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. So 20 and 20. So this is the solution of this equation. So we have to tick a second. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, we have to tick here also and above the 8 also. Get it? Now next, n plus 12 is equal to 20. So n is 20. 20 plus 12 we get 20. 20 plus 12 we get 32. So 32 and 20 are equal? No, it is not equal. Then we have to take here 0. N plus 12 is equal to 20. So 0 plus 12 we get 20. No, 12 and 20 are not equal. So what is the solution of this equation? It is 8. Clear? Now next. Okay, p minus 5 is equal to 0. So let's take here 0 minus 5 is equal to 5. So minus 5 and 5 are equal? No. Then take the value 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 10 minus 5 it is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Then next. Okay. I think I forgot to write the next things. So please complete it. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 5 minus 5 0. So the 0 is not equal to 5. Next thing we have to take here minus 5. Minus 5 we get 5. So minus 5 it become minus 10. So minus 10 is equal to 5? No. So please write here that two solutions. Okay. So next D. So let's see the D. Q upon 2 is equal to 7 and the values we have to take 7, 2, 10 and 14. So first we have to take here 7. Okay. So see Q upon 2 is equal to 7. So 7 upon 2 is equal to 7. 7 upon 2 is equal to 7? No. Then we have to take here 2. Q upon 2 is equal to 7. So 2 upon 2 is equal to 7. So it is 1. 1 and 7 are equal? No. Now we have to take here 10. 10 upon 2 is equal to 7. So 10 upon 2 is equal to 5 na? So 5 is not equal to 7. Right na? Next. We have to take here Q upon 2 is equal to 7. So here Q we have to take here 14. 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So we have to tick here and also in the bracket also we have to tick the solution of equation. Get it? Fine. Next. Okay, r is equal to 4 is equal to 0 and we have to take value r is equal to 4 minus 4, 8 and 0. So let's take value as a 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So yes, in the first step we have get the solution of equation, that is 4. You have to tick here on this 4 and also in this equation. Okay. Then next we have to take minus 4. So minus 4 in minus 4 we get 0. So minus 4 we get minus 8. So minus 8 is not equal to 0. Okay. Then 4 is equal to 0. So it is 8 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 8 minus 4 it is 4. So 4 is not equal to 0. Then next, r minus 4 is equal to 0. So 0 minus 4 we get 0. So minus 4 is equal to 0? No. Next, x plus 4 is equal to 2 and the value we have given are minus 2, 0, 2, 4. So let's see. X minus 4, x plus 4 is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 4. Okay. So is equal to 2. So my 4 minus 2 we get 2. 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So here it is satisfied. So tick on this solution of equation. Then we have to take next values also. So take 0. X plus 4 is equal to 2. So 0 plus, okay, I'm sorry. 0 plus 4 is equal to 2. So 0 plus 4, 4. 4 is not equal to 2. Then next we have to take 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 we get 6. 6 is not equal to 2. Then we have to take here 4. 4 plus 4 we get 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is not equal to 2, na? Okay, now next. See, question 4. Complete the table and by inspection of the table, find the solution of equation m plus 0 is equal to 16. So see here, it is not 0, I'm sorry, it is 6. Please correct it, it is 10 here. M plus 10 is equal to 16. Okay, so we have to take the values here. The table is given. In first row we have get the values of m, right? And we have to write here the solution of this equation, answer of this m plus 10 when we put this value, and when it is satisfied, that means when it equals to 16, we have to correct it. So let's start. M plus 10 is equal to 16. So first value 1. M plus 10 is equal to 16. So 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. And 11 and 16 are not equal. So let's take the next value. M plus 10 is equal to 16. So M is equal to 2. 2 plus 10 is equal to 16. 12 and 16 are not equal. Okay. Now next, M plus 10 is equal to 16. 3, we have to take now 3 values. So 3 plus 10 we get 16. 13 is not equal to 16. Then take next, M plus 10 is equal to 16. So here the value of M should be 4. 4 plus 10 is equal to 16. So 14 is not equal to 16. Right now, M plus 10 is equal to 16. So M is equal to 5 here. 5 plus 10 we get 16. Is it equal? So no. Next, M plus 10 is equal to 16. So we have to take here 6. 6 plus 10 we get 16. So yes, 16 and 16 are equal. So tick here and we also tick here. Get it? Next, M plus 10 is equal to 16. We have to take value 7. So 7 plus 10 we get 16. So 7 plus 10 we get 17. 17 and 10 are not equal. Then we have to take 8. M plus 10 is equal to 16. So 8 plus 10 is equal to 16. 8 plus 10 we get 18. 18 and 16 are not equal. M plus 10 is equal to 16. So here we have to write the value of M as 9. 9 plus 10 is equal to 16. So 9 plus 10 we get 19. 19 and 16 are not equal. Get it? Next. Now we have to take the value of M is equal to 10. 10 plus 10 we get 16. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 and 60 are not equal. Get the answer. Already we have get the answer when we put the value M is equal to 6. But we have to put the value as in question second. Okay. So let's start the question. It is exactly same the above one. Okay. See, complete the table.